Good morning, everyone. This is your boy Christian. Good morning, trades. Before we start this video, make sure to like and subscribe. This is not a financial advice. This video is only for the entertainment only. Make sure you guys do your diligent research. On this video, let's talk about selling everything. Um, So make sure you guys have a strategic plan where to enter if you're going to enter any of the positions that I will be telling you or exit, and let's get this video started. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you to the moon. The moon. Many of you think that the moon is up there above the clouds, up on the sky. But the moon on the stock market is going downwards and it keeps going down. So let's see the charts. Okay, this is SPY, S&P 500. This follows S&P 500. As you can see, we top around 479, which was, yeah, 480 was the top. And from there, we tumble to go down all the way to this level, which is 429. And, many of us predict that it will keep going lower and lower. But I do have a suggestion to say, and it's this. Many of you, I see many YouTubers everywhere saying, they are panic selling everything, which, if you're a long term investor like I am, whenever you see like a big correction like this or a big dip, you always want to buy. You want to buy low and sell high. So a good example is here. A lot of people are freaking out right here. Instead of you wanting to sell at this point, you want to start buying more and more shares of whatever company you're trying to hold for the long term. So for me, I have a few. As you can see, my top stocks that are cheap, in my opinion, are these. Most of them are growth stocks. I think some of these will do really great in the future. Um, since I seen them 70-80% down since their highs. As you can see, we have Tilray. If we check Tilray, you will notice that Tilray is in a downward move. The highest from this year, from the past year, was 67. At the moment, we're at 567. As you can see, if you're a long-term investor, this is a good opportunity to buy in to 5x, 10x your money. And then after that, of course, we have the next one, which is, CGC follows Tilray. Same thing is 60-70% discount. And then we have Workhorse, one of my favorites too. This tag, I remember seeing it from 40s to 30s to now it's under $3. No, around $3. So I believe if we go at least 15 or $30, we're going to be making 500%, 600% in a few years or even in a few months if everything recovers as predicted. And then we have, of course, Neo, one of my favorite stocks. Um, you know, if you're a Neo long, you should be buying at these levels. Even if it goes lower, you should be accumulating. That's if you're a long-term investor. If you're a short-term, of course you're going to be losing at this point. But as long as the stock keeps going down, the best the best way to earn money in the future is if you buy in every single dip that you see. Every time it dips, you buy, you buy, you buy. Whenever the stock goes up, your average will be lower, and then you will end up making a lot of money. So this is only like a few percentage back. It's not bad, but it's a company that I trust that it will recover in the future. So trust the process, and I think Neo will be the next one. Then we have Fubo, Fubo, Fubo TV. That's another favorite stock that I own and that I will keep buying every time it goes even lower. So right now it's under $10. I seen this stock up to 62. So I do believe that at least if it goes to 30, 34, 35, I can make 300, 400% right there. So for the future, I think this will be a good stock to hold long term. So then, of course, yeah, it is a good company. It's not a bad company at all. So then we have Fubo, STC, Smile Direct Club. They do like Invisalign, those lines that are kind of invisible, those plastic that instead of getting the traditional braces, you can get Invisalign and it can correct your smile without any brackets or any those metal brackets that you can have. And then we have TCAT. TCAT, I love TCAT just because TCAT is NFT player. If you can see TCAT, last high was at 74. Right now it's at $2.74. So even if it goes to $30, I will be making, uh, 1000%. But if it goes, way high here, of course I'll be making a lot. But I do believe in TCAT. I believe that they will be the future, one of the futures, one of the big players. If you're trying to invest into NFTs, one of these, TCAT will be one of the top that I would recommend to invest in because they have a future ahead. And then, of course, we have Plug. Plug was with, let me check. So Plug, it's $19. Wow. Yeah, so I never seen Plug at these levels. Um, but I do believe on them. So Plug under 20, it's a cheap bargain. The other one that follows Plug is FCell. FCell also it's super cheap right now. I seen it at 29. I do believe on the company. So Plug and FCell, they will change the future. Right now they are so cheap. So if you're trying to invest in any type of company, try to buy low. So whenever it goes down, you buy. Whenever it goes high, you enjoy the profits, right? So that's the point of investing. Don't don't get scared whenever you see your stock going down. It's normal. But in the future, of course, you will be rewarded with big profits. So don't get discouraged and keep investing. So this is some of the ones that I like to invest. Everyone has their own. Every investor, invest in their own belief on companies that they think they will do great. This is my own. Of course, not everything that is on here is going to boom, in the future, like 10x, like I was saying, but at least it's going to give me some good profits, and that's for sure. The next one, of course, like I was explaining earlier, try to buy low, sell high. If you're a long term investor, this should not matter to you. because you're buying for the long, either 5 years, 10 years down the road. But every time, of course, you see a big sell-off like is happening right now, you want to always, start accumulating your shares. Every time it goes lower and lower. So whenever there's a bull run market, like we had the previous years, of course you want to enjoy the profits and sometimes take profits and wait for another crash or correction like is happening today. Oh, and the other thing, same thing, if you're a crypto investor, I will be posting more videos later about crypto, but I do believe that it will be the same strategy. Try to buy as low as you can whenever you see a big sell-off on crypto. Try to buy in, and whenever you see a big bull run, just try to enjoy the moment. Try to enjoy the profits that you're seeing it, and then every time it goes higher and higher and you see that it doubles triples your money, then of course start taking some of the profits out of the table, because you never know, that could be the high, and then the next time you can see it will crash on your face, and then you will end up holding for a long time again. So don't be that person and just try to buy low and sell high always. Okay, so I think that's the video for today. Um, Make sure you like, share, and comment on this video. Uh, I know, I mean, if you like the video, I will be doing more content later. If you want me to do certain content, certain stocks, certain cryptos, or talk about certain stuff, let me know in the comments below. And of course, uh, like, subscribe, and share to your friends, to everyone. Okay, bye bye.